Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya Rikman Momin Penchai bagi BJP kamdan kanu ke Jingthmu ban Pynpra ne Khring ki MLA na keseng ke bedan lang ha ke sarkat Synrop kata ke NPP. Bat kampen seluruh ya ke MLA ke NPP ban peneso ke BJP. Ula kedau bagi Jingthmu ban Pynpra ne penthut ke sarkar Synrop MDA kalong ke bamdai hak sang perthai. Umumen ula kentat ru iki kubor basa priang halo ke jingdan ke jingekran bat ki katu kan iki MLA bamenta baki kuak banwan rung syaka BJP. Da ke bakadau bagi MLA na keseng TMC kemdan ke jingekran bat ke BJP. Wala kadang ke jing perkhat alor ke jingkala ha kesan perthai haswa ke election MLA ke banlong ha kesenam arhajar arpufra. Kani ke jing pensyai kalong hadin balami ke jing kenok na ki katu kan iki nong yalam ke BJP ha ke jela ke balakam bagi dan ki MLA barang syang syuki menta. Kebiakan bat ke BJP ban penyesok haswa ke election hak jela.
Number is very much clear here in Meghalaya, so I cannot reveal the numbers right now. I'm telling you, see, you will get this type of questions during 2027 ending only. But I think that is not true because we cannot break NPP because they are our alliance. We want to work for our people in Meghalaya. So disturbing the MD government, that will be a very unethical, or what you said, it will be unwise to do that because we are alliance and we are working happily with the government, and government is trying to bring up lots of projects to the government.
Then how many whether TMC MLAs are in touch with you, because that also there are speculation, lot of speculations keep on.
See, there is a speculation always.
So whether
I think from 23 speculation is that Dr. Mukul joining, but till now it never happens. So every day all news are coming. I'm seeing where I haven't known about.
But is the group from TMC in touch with the BJP?
Right now, there was no one is there.
From TMC.
Halor ke jingdawa ban pentrai kamek enalain permit a Meghalaya ke BJP hak jela kali itu bakal ekran bak sarkar pedeng ban pan kilat jingada ki bakham klan kenang ban khanglat ya ke jingwan rong bean jugi beru banabar. Da ke bapen kesan bak seng kedon genong rem ban empriang satya ke jingwan rong bean ki menderi. Rikman Momin itu bagaseng kelada pentip lupa syaka sarkar pedeng halor ka jingdon kam ban snaya ka wei kerukom trekam ka batikena ban khmi batel kam ya ke jingwan rong bean jengki beriau syaka jela. Katkum ke jingong umumin kinong yalam ka BJP na kejela kila kentu ke sarkar pedeng ban penbiang kilat ban khmi bnia bat ban penbet tikena ban khanglat ke jingwan rong bean jengki beriau syam Meghalaya.
So that one I will not reveal right now. I'm just working on it. Let's see.
But are you taking up with the center?
Look, it is already been there. So naturally, for the benefit of people, we have to work it out. I'm not going to say it's an ILP, but some mechanism. As earlier I've already told you, some mechanism will have to be there to check this illegal immigration. Illegal infiltration.
Center is very concerned about this illegal infiltration. So, in this regard, have you spoken anything to center?
Yes, we have already informed.